Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Today we will discuss about the industrial development in Pakistan. If we'll talk about the aims and objectives of presentation, in this presentation we will discuss about the following aspects, including raw material uses, economic benefits about the large scale and small scale industries. Then at the end, comparison between industrialization countries with the compared Pakistani industrial system. Okay, large scale industries have formed a sector, formal sectors okay, which are registered sectors. These industries help Pakistan grow and contribute in making Pakistan's economy better. It provides employment to large sector in Pakistan. What is cement industry? Cement industry is flourishing in Pakistan due to following reasons: availability of raw material, gypsum, good domestic market with high demand from construction industries, and cement industries are mostly located in near limestone ridges, for example, Attak, Rawalpindi. Clear? Move towards the cotton industry. Cotton textile in Pakistan is the largest industry. The raw material of this industry is obtained from cotton crop, which is raw cotton, cotton yarn. Cotton industries are located all over Pakistan, but major cotton textile industries located in Karachi, Faisalabad, and Hyderabad. Clear? The textile industry is the largest and the most important sector of the economy as it possesses a great export potential and textile products from nearly 60% of the total crops. There are also many problems we've suffered during the industrial formation. If we'll talk about the steel industry, Pakistan's steel industry provides raw material to the engineering and construction industries. The products of steel industries are coke, pig iron, rolled and cast billets, galvanized products, and raw steel. Pakistani steel mill corporations with technical and financial assistance from USSR was established on 30 December 1973. Steel industries in Pakistan reduces burden on foreign exchange resources. Environmental pollution due to industrial waste is also caused. If we'll talk about the sugar industry of Pakistan, sugar industries in Pakistan are located in Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Sindh. Most of the sugar cans are located in sugar fields because sugar cane starts losing its sugar content as soon as it is harvested, and sugar cane is bulky and heavy, and so it is expensive to transport. Byproducts of sugar industries are gases and molasses, both used for various reasons like fuels in sugar industries. Fertilizers industries. Chemical fertilizers have considered increased since Green Revolution in 1960s. The raw materials are sulfur, phosphate, gypsum are used to make different types of fertilizers. These industries are located in Daud Khel in Punjab, Haripur, KPK, and in Upper Sindh. Major fertilizer factories in Pakistan is the Pakistan Arab Fertilizers Factory at Multan. Sports and goods industry, small scale industry. Sports and goods industry located in Sialkot. Sports industry of Pakistan is export oriented. The industry uses raw materials such as rubber, wood, pulp, and stitching, thread, leather, etc. The sewing is done mainly in small workshops manually, and only the final stage of production are done in factories. They are manufactured according to the international standards. Sialkot was selected to supply football for 1988 and 2014 World Cup. If we'll talk about the surgical instrument industry, that is also a small scale industry. The surgical instrument manufacturing is located in Sialkot city, Lahore, and their ancillary areas. Pakistan manufactured and exports high quality surgical instruments, beauty instruments, dental instruments, scissors, etc. Pakistan enjoys a meager share 1% of the world export of medical and dental instruments. The surgical instrument industry faced great criticism and protest from international community on issue of child labor. Brick kiln industry, that is small scale industry. Brick kilns is an important industry to Pakistan, providing employment in rural areas where agriculture may not be practiced. Raw material is clay, water, and mainly coal. Child and women labor is involved, and all the work is done manually. The output is hard bricks used in construction sector. Lining of canals, protecting underground telephone cables lines. They are mostly located in hot regions like southern Punjab and other rural countries areas. Economic benefits to Pakistan from large and small scale industries. Industrializations promote specializations of labor. The division of work increases the marginal values of product of labor. Industrial sector is the second largest individual sector of the economy accounting for 24% of the GDP. Industrialization helps in increasing the value of output per worker. Industrial sectors also help government to stabilize price in countries, increase the income of the workers. Environmental concerns due to industrializations, inefficient waste disposal leads to deficiency of oxygen in the air, water pollution, atmospheric pollution, aquatic pollution. The turning of machinery also causes noise pollution, determining the harmful to the health of individuals. Industries of Germany and France. In Germany, the service sectors contribute around 70% of the total GDP. Industry 29.1%, the agriculture 0.9%. Most of the country's products are in engineering, especially in automobiles, machinery, metals, and chemical goods. Germany is the leading producer of wind turbines and solar power technology in the world. The chemical industry is a key sector for France, helping to develop other manufacturing activities and contributing to economic growth. France tourism industry is a major component of the economy as France is the most visited destination in the world. In our Pakistan, we also have destinations to be visited by tourists, but we can't focus on them. How to treat industrial waste efficiently? Iron and steel industries waste. The production of iron from ores involving powerful reduction reaction in blast furnaces, cooling waste, what is inevitably contaminated with products, especially ammonia and cyanide. Production of coke from coal in cooking plants also require water cooling or and the use of water in byproduct separation. The cement industry, incorporated with the waste management sector, has developed pre-treatmenting practices such as screening, bleeding, and shredding to produce suitable materials from waste that meet cement kiln requirements. Stay motivated. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.